For solving this types of question, we will have to use the exponential limits formula, that is limit x tends to 0 e to the power x minus 1 upon x is equals to log a base e. This is the formula which we will be using in this question. So first we have to transform this limit x tends to 0 3 to the power 2x minus 1 divided by 2x into 2x. We are multiplying 2x to both numerator and denominator. To the power 3x minus 1, we will be multiplying 3x to both numerator and denominator. This results as the form of this one. So we will be using this as log 3 base e divided by log 2 base e, and this x will be cancelled out. You can write 2 3. Now we are using logarithmic formula. We can write 2 as the power of 3 and 3 as the power of 2. So this results as log 9 upon log 8. This is the answer.